So if you're in the process of growing your Amazon business and cash flow is really limiting exactly how fast, how quickly you can get inventory into Amazon and how quickly you can actually scale your business, then in this video, I'm going to go over exactly how to qualify for Amazon lending, which is basically where Amazon will give you a loan up front, which is around $10,000 or more, exactly how to get qualified for these loans, how frequently they will pay you these loans, how much you're actually going to get, and exactly how you pay these loans back, and how Amazon will make sure that you pay it back. I'm gonna cover it all in this video, so let's get right into it. All right, guys, so we're on Seller Central right now, and when it comes to getting these loans from Amazon that will allow you to grow your business, how do we get these loans? So if you come right here, you will see a lending section. Whenever you are approved for a loan, it will pop up right here. And you can see you have financing options up to $20,000. So if you click review details, it will take us to the whole entire loan history page where you can show your active loans right here, applications in progress right here, and available financing options. Now, once again, the active loans are loans that you have already taken from Amazon in the past. Now, I've taken 2 loans in the past. One, the very first loan, back in 2021, and a more recent loan. This loan right here, we have outstanding amount of $16,000. Now that's, once again, is the amount that we got $20,000 approved for. And now with this $20,000 that I have active, I was able to order another product and actually get that product off the ground running and ordering more and more units. But once again, it allowed us to scale faster than ordering the small amount of units and actually take profits off the table. Now, what do I mean by that? You don't always want to put your entire cash, entire profits back into your Amazon product. Now, you can, and you usually will put majority of the money back into your Amazon product, but for some of the money, you want to take profits off the table, and loan allows you to do that to keep growing at the rate that you want to grow, but still take profits off the table in case of the emergencies and other things. But once again, you are putting majority of the money back into your business, but a loan allows you to have more flexibility. But just be aware of the 12% APR, and you will probably need to inch up prices or do something to account for that in general. Now, once again, loans are also tax write-offs, so you will be able to claim these on your taxes and get more write-offs for your taxes to have your actual tax bill lower. Now, with the active loans, we have the available financing option. Now, this is where you will see your new loan. So if we were to click this, we see the Amazon lending up to $20,000. They have 13% APR, so you see they have an entire 1 more percent. The term is for 6 months, and if you start the application, you're basically going to go down the rabbit hole of actually filling out what's required for you, which isn't very much, and they've already basically approved your account and the sales that you're currently getting to be approved for this loan. So there's no application. As you see right here, we have other applications in progress like Marcus by Goldman Sachs. If you click start this, they will basically either approve or decline you. And even if you start the application, it will still show it in progress, even if you just click the start application button. So I'm not going to click that, but once again, these loans are going to be actual approve or decline, but the Amazon lending loans, you're automatically approved for them, so just be aware of that. Now, when it comes to getting the loans in the first place, Amazon looks at a couple of things. Number one, your sales history, how long you've been selling on Amazon for. If it's only been a month, then you're probably not getting a loan. It usually happens around 3 to 5 months down the line, or 4 to 6 months, depending on how quick you're selling. And that's when you see the second thing, the velocity of sales you're having. If you're only selling a couple units every single day, and overall you're doing, just very, very low in revenue, they're most likely not going to give you a loan. You have to be aware that if you're selling, a couple hundred a month, you're most likely not going to get a loan. You probably have to be selling at least a couple thousand a month to get loans. But once again, the loans happen 3 to 5 months down the line. They're not immediately where you're going to be. Amazon's gonna be sending you loans. It's gonna happen a couple months down the line, so just be aware of that as well. Now, when it comes to paying these loans back, how do you pay them back? Do you have to send Amazon checks? What happens? No, Amazon is extremely smart. Once they give you the money, they're going to make sure that you get the money, that they get the money back. So what they do is they take the money out of what they're already So what they do is that they take the money out of what they were already going to pay you. So if you see right here, we look at the total balance for the last couple of days, we have $5,452. Now this is money that is still building up, and they pay you every 2 weeks. So this money will keep going up, and it'll probably be around 15 to 20,000 they're going to pay us for the 2 week period. Now with this money building up, Amazon is going to take money out of that before they actually pay you to make sure that you can pay the loan. You're paying the loan, but they're taking the loan from you. So once again, it's nothing that you actually have to do. Amazon will just take the money out of what they owe you. And if you've been selling on Amazon for the last couple of months and you haven't got a loan yet, just be patient, because Amazon will send you a loan option in the future. Just make sure you stay in stock and you keep generating cash flow in your business. Also, if you want to get loans on a continual basis, Amazon will keep sending you loans usually every 4 to 6 months. based on you continuing selling. If your sales slow down, they will still send you loans, but the loans might be less. But once again, as long as you're continuing selling, Amazon will keep sending you loans. So just keep that in mind if you're really looking out for loans. So keep selling, and Amazon will keep sending you them. But if your sales slow down or something, then they may increase the APR percentage or whatever it is in that case. Or they will do something to once again make sure that their risk for giving you a loan is going to be less. Now, there are other ways to get money to fund your Amazon business. So if you guys want me to cover in a future video exactly how to do this, you don't only have to go with Amazon lending. You can use other things that I can cover in a future video. But make sure to let me know down below in the comment section if you would like to see that, and I will make sure to do that. And with all that being said, if you guys are interested in selling on Amazon and you don't know exactly where to start, then make sure to click on this video right here where I go on exactly how to private label your product on Amazon and exactly what you should do as a beginner.